Resolving a door leak in LG front-load washers. Leaking issues with front-load washers can usually be resolved without a technician. The first step is to discover the source of the leak. If you're seeing leaking coming from the main door, a common cause is an accumulation of hair, lint, or soap residue on the inside door glass or rubber gasket. A proper seal between the glass and gasket is critical for leak-free operation, and the best maintenance is to clean them frequently. While wearing gloves, mix 3/4 of a cup of bleach with 1 gallon of warm water. If you prefer, use vinegar instead of bleach. Use a soft cloth or sponge and the cleaning solution to gently clean the inner door glass, especially the underside and edge of the glass where it meets the gasket. Pay extra attention to the bottom of the door where hair, lint, and residue can accumulate. Then clean the surface of the door gasket from top to bottom on each side. Pull the lip of the gasket back and clean underneath as well, being sure to remove any debris. Lastly, run a tub clean cycle using a commercial tub cleaner, following the directions on the tub cleaner package. If the door and gasket are clean but the leak persists, or if the gasket is torn or damaged, please contact LG for repair service. Learn more at lg.com. In the search bar, enter leaking front-load washer.